We've covered a lot of ground today, so I want to do a bit of a recap to help you pull all the information together. We started talking about relationship conversations, checking in with each other regularly about how you're tracking in the relationship. Then we looked at I statements, which are about expressing yourself in a way that owns your feelings to avoid blaming. Next, we talked about active listening, and this is about reflecting back what your partner says to make sure you understand what they're saying, rather than making assumptions. Then we talked about how to have a deeper level of intimacy or intimacy in your relationship by sharing at deeper levels. Next, we talked about the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse: criticism, defensiveness, contempt, and stonewalling. And we also talked about the antidotes, or how to relate to each other in healthier ways. When conflict does start to escalate, despite all your best efforts, we talked about taking a time out to avoid falling into that pursue-withdraw cycle. And then we also spoke about the importance of forgiveness during conflict. Finally, we ended by looking at stages of relationships to help you develop realistic expectations of what a relationship can offer, and to normalise the struggles that you have along the way. As you go into your relationship and put these principles into practice, remember to be patient with yourself. It takes time to learn new skills, and you're not going to get it right from the very beginning. It will take practice and consistency. Like when a child learns to walk, they don't just get on their feet and start walking perfectly. First, they need to take their first step, then fall, then get back up, then try again. So it takes a while to develop the muscle strength and the motor skills required to walk. And it's exactly the same with what we've covered today. It takes time, perseverance, and in a way, emotional muscle strength to get to a place where this is the new way that you relate to your partner. But believe me, it's worth the effort. Finally, it will be helpful to watch this video again and remind yourself of the skills and information that we've covered today. I wish you all the very best in your life and relationships.